What's going on, guys? RicoCapital, and I'm here to show y'all our banger SPY swing trade we did for this week so far. And I think you're going to be shocked at this because, yes, this was yesterday right here. Sideways, ugly. We held the demand Monday. I knew once we held that, we'd get back to our 556 level. From there, I wanted to see what would happen if we would get to. We did make all-time highs at 557 right here level. I marked it. We wicked off it. We still came right back down here, but right around here is when I slammed the 560 call, 711. So this was on the 9th, so tomorrow expiration. We got it for $90 a contract, and this is for SPY 560. So a couple, a little bit more up here. I fully expected us to hit 560 today, which is over here, and I'm going to show y'all what happened. So we absolutely slammed those calls. It did go against us. We were down on them. Everyone was down me. We haven't lost it all week. I'm letting people know, hold tight. We're going to kill this. We have time on it. This is for CPI data that's coming out tomorrow, pre-market. We're absolutely been killing it. So everyone, hold tight. We got this. Don't you worry. So we held tight. And as you can see, we ripped open to new highs at 557.75. Those calls were up. But that's not all. We ended up rocketing from there all the way up to 561, putting those calls in the money and hitting our 560 target like I knew we would. To be honest, I thought we would at least come up here to 557, right? Maybe 558. I didn't think today we would hit 560, but we did. It was just nonstop buying. Premiums are just increasing nonstop. Those 90s ran to, I don't know, 250 plus, 300 plus, so over 200% gain. We absolutely killed it. It was unreal, right before CPI. So that tells us, one of two things. One, that we're about to absolutely rock it off of CPI news. Or two, this was the move here, and we're going to just stay in range after CPI comes out. But I doubt that is a pretty big, significant event, and we should see some type of movement. I have calls going into tomorrow, so let's see what happens. I rolled up to the 554, so let's see if we get that move. I fully think if we do get that move, SPY should go to 567 area, 565, 567, so let's see what happens. We did kind of create a new hourly supply, so I'm kind of just watching that for right now. It's not cemented yet, this level, because I need more data up here to see how sellers react and profit takers. But for now, we're kind of just setting the levels and seeing how we go from here. It's been pretty cool so far, winning nonstop this week. So very easy, loving it, and we're kind of just seeing how it goes for right now. Kind of just taking it one step at a time. But yeah, it's been a good ride right there. Look how perfect that was from down here all the way up to there. Just beautiful. And the reason why I was so confident is because not only did we hold this demand over here, we just the sediment. Like, you got to know price action. If you're looking around the market, you got to see what else is going, what else is kind of unusual, because the big players can't hide their money. They're getting in as well, so they're pumping up things. They're positioning. So this was definitely a huge move right here, and it was a very good one as well. So we're on fire this week on swing trading and just day trading in general. We're absolutely killing it. So let's see how CPI reacts tomorrow. Tomorrow's the day. I'll give you all an update on how it went and what happened and what maybe we could do better, or maybe if nothing else, just learn from it. And that's it. That's all I could ask. So here's after hours right now. Just a little bit red. Just after a lot of things ripping. So not unusual at all. So big data coming pre-market tomorrow. We're going to see what happens. So beautiful trade here on SPY. And like I said, those 560s ended up going in the money and running up huge. So good work on that. Very good work. Other than that, that is the recap for this trade. We've been killing it. Check out my other videos on swing trading. Hopefully you guys can learn a little bit more. This one was a little bit more difficult as a swing trade. The only reason I went with it is because we held above demand. and we were kind of sandwiched in between 556, and I knew we were probably going to squeeze up higher. I did not think we would either fall back down. I thought we'd at least come up to 557, which I knew. I mean, we did, and then from there rocketed. So that was all. I wasn't looking for nothing crazy. I was just going for some gains as we're continuously killing it. So that was just a simple play that turned massive, and that's how you do it right there. So appreciate you watching the videos. Check out my other ones for swing trading and continue learning so you can continue earning.